to me like.
Hey guys, so today we are going in with the PLouise All I Science palette, and the first shade that we're going in with here is the shade 1111. This palette is absolutely beautiful in the sense that there's a lot of mustard yellow sort of colours and oranges. It's very, very autumnal, and that is why I have navigated to this palette today, because I wanted to do something quite autumnal and quite festive. So we are just going in with this shade 1111 here, and we're doing this sort of rounded spotlight eye. I didn't actually know if I was going to do a spotlight eye until the last minute, so you do see that I just suddenly find a really, really stunning shimmer shade, and I'm like, yep, we're going to go in with a spotlight eye here. Also going in with the shade Get Paid, which is just slightly lighter, and we're blending that just above that 1111 shade. This is where we decided that we're just actually going to do a spotlight eye, and I'm just putting down a little bit of concealer here just as a base for this absolutely stunning foil, which is called Inspire. It's like a rustic orange red, but it is so foily. This camera isn't even doing it justice. It's stunning, and it just gave me these sort of autumn vibes. I was like, yep, we're going for it. We're just going around the sort of edges here with the shade Get Paid, and I'm just going right round the outer edges with the shade Affirm, which is a light orange kind of shade, but I'm just using it with a light hand, and I'm just blending it all out just so that it's all even and just nicely blended. Now we're just going in with the foundation, and again I'm using my Chroma foundation because it's just absolutely amazing. Honestly, I think I've worn it every single day since I got it, and it just seems to get better and better, to be honest. I did go a little bit more heavy handed in this video because I was testing out this new brush, but to be honest I didn't really like it, so I just switched back to my normal foundation brush that I normally use. I think this one is from Revolution actually, or probably be from Beauty Bay. But yeah, we just went in with that foundation in shade N2 again. Fantastic coverage, guys. Honestly, if you haven't tried this foundation and you are looking for something quite full coverage, definitely jump on it while it's on sale and stuff, because it's fantastic. And I'm just going in with my normal powders and stuff here. This is just the Stay Matte powder, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. Little Jewel here, the bronzer and the blusher, which is in St. Lucia. So yeah, this is the lashes, and I don't know where I got these from, but they are absolutely stunning. They are so voluminous, but they're not too overpowering. Like, they don't take away the look at all. Come with that shade Get Paid, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. Not going in with any eyeliner or anything here, by the way, just leaving that bit pretty plain. I feel like this colour also makes my eyes pop. Just going in with this nude combo again that I done on my lips the other day. that is this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what other looks you guys want to see, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.